20? 20 out of 20. Oh my gosh! Proud of you.
Alexa, what does the dog say woof?
Unahan niyo si Alexa.
Alexa!
Cute for Nini. Loso?
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
To go to the mall.
You wanna go to the mall? Okay. Where are we going?
We going to the mall.
What are you gonna do in the mall?
And Tia and then the toy store.
You wanna go to the toy store? What are you
Yeah.
gonna do in the toy store?
And the Peppa Pig.
Ah, you wanna play with the Peppa Pig there? Yeah. Okay. Are you a good boy? Huh? We're gonna buy bread.
We go to buy Peppa Pig.
Huh? Really?
No buying bread.
Mm.
Only toy store. Apaco.
Alpaca?
Apaco.
What's this one?
Cereal.
Cereal. What flavor? You wanna eat
Table.
now?
Yeah.
You wanna try your cereal?
Yeah. I want to go to the toy store.
All done. Para sa base ng food ni AA sa kanyang carbs.
Can I have one piece of yogurt?
Plain yogurt, small.
Small.
That's strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay. Say yes, please.
Please. Oh my god. Thank you.
Yum. Yum. And what else you want? Cookies na lang. Pwede ba puro strawberry? Up. Ginagawa ko dati. May melt ako ng Hershey na chocolate. Mas strawberry. Pwede sa freezer. Tara. Magkano? Paano magkano ko eh? Malalaki lang. Maliit kasi ang daliri ko eh. Ano lang? 99.
99. Ang laki naman ng size. Ito, kasunod eh.
Pareho lang yun, di ba? Medium and large. Ay, meron ba ang small? XL. Extra small and
XL.
small.
Ayan!
Cute, no?
Ang cute pa, ano lang. Design.
99. Diba?
Ah, kahit yung walang butas.
Oo.
Cute, no? Ang cute. Malaman. Bilang balik.
Ang bilis.
Ay, cute lang pala. Hindi mo naman siya kailangan.
Yeah. Ito. Parang feeling ko malaki. Pero 149 lang siya. Kaya nakapinunta natin yung hair tie, diba?
Kaya nga. Ba't hindi sumunod sa section?
So cute. For Nini. Bilin ko for Nini.
Ang cute.
Hindi ko alam kung ganyan.
Yung dito siya?
Tali siya yun. Tali na.
Ay, tali.
Or, so pwede siyang gamitin yung isahan lang. Tapos ito, kasi clip. Pero pareho lang sila ng price. Ito na lang, no?
Ayun na lang, para dalawang gamit.
We are home! So we went to Healthy Options kanina and we've got the cereal. Crispy Cocoa Rice cereal. So nice. Sinry ko na siya kayo. Ang sarap.
I don't want to try it.
Gluten-free. That's gluten-free. Gluten-free na pancake and waffle mix. I got gluten-free organic na fusilli. This is his favorite pasta. Yung paganyan, fusilli. So usually normal pasta. But for AA, bilang siya ng gluten-free. Si Lily, pwede pa siya ng pasta na iba. And then, ano ko na lang, separate yung pag-mix ng sauce. And then, yung pizza crust to, hahaluan mo siya. Eggs, olive oil, and then, yeast packet included. Ano yung yeast packet? May packet na isa siya. And warm water. Anyway, I'm doing laundry today. So, itong mga light colors, nilaban ko siya last night. And then, naglagay ako ng another load, yung mga dark naman. Today is Friday, by the way, so walang pasok tomorrow.
Friday.
Proud siya kasi ang high daw ng mga quizzes at saka long test niya. Wow! 10 out of 10! 19 out of 20. This is a long test. Good job. Science and health ni Lily is 20 out of 20. Oh my gosh! I am so proud. Good job.
And mommy, the one with the horse and the carabao. I'm like, I think it gives us food.
Yeah.
But it was transportation. I'm like, what? I think it was from before.
But at least now you know. Next week, on your exam week, you know the answer already. Right? Good job, Ate. I'm proud of you. You got it. You got it. Yeah. Halimbawa, your, the word is ulan, means rain. How do you make ulan past tense?
Umulan.
Umulan. How about future?
Ulan.
Yes! See? Yes, so we're just gonna practice like that. Okay. For example.
I want to go to get a hug. Can I? Are you gonna hug too?
Okay. Siloso? Are you gonna hug you? I love you. I love you. Oh, I got something for you as well. Where's the hair ties?
Which one? For me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Ta-da!
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Hug Auntie. Let's see.
Yeah.
So we can,
Hug you.
we can tie your hair like this, and then we'll have that like that. One each, or also we can put it right in the middle, or high pony. So cute.
It's
For Mama.
It's
So I don't finish all your hair ties, and I also got earrings. So cute. Look.
Oh yeah, I like it. It's like you just put 2 earrings,
Yeah.
but it's actually 1.
Ay, parang baliktad. Ay, tama.
Hindi, tama.
Ay! Cutie! And then, I've got a hair tie. Tignan nyo guys, hair tie na nabili ko. 2 piraso. Tapos 149. Pero kaysa wala. Tapos silk na siya. So, it's good for your hair. Piling ko naman magre-restock yun or baka sa ibang branch meron. Pero at least may magagamit akong tali. Kailangan lang ingatan kasi 2 piraso lang siya. Ang ginagamit kong tali ngayon, tali ni Lily. Di ba? Good morning. Ayan, mag-ano lang ako, magsasaing ako kasi may bisita tayo today. Nandito si Sassy at ang kanyang mama at papa ay bumisita sa kanya kahapon. And since taga-Taguig lang din si Sassy, sabi ni mama bago sila umuwi sa Cavite, dadaan muna siya to say hi to the kids. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, please make sure na may kanin. Kasi magluluto ata siya ng ulam doon sa bahay ni Sassy. Kanina niya pa sinabi yun, kaya lang binabad ko pa yung aking rice cooker. May kanin pa naman, kaya lang hindi na yan, kulang yan kapag may additional tayong 3 katao. So, nagsasain lang ako. Been in the shower. Plano ko sana today ng hair. Mag-straighten ng hair. Tignan nyo guys, ang cute ng kulot ko. Pero sa mga ilalim lang siya, hindi na pinakatuktok. Hindi gaano. Naiinis ako. Bago ako mag-shower usually, tira ko yung buhok ko, naiirita ako. Sabihin ko, i-straight ko to. I-straight ako ng buhok. So, yun na yung plano. And then, ipapart ko na siya ng ganyan para i-straight. Tapos makikita ko yung kulot. Naawa naman ako sa kulot. Kasi maluluto na naman siya. I don't know what to do anymore. Ito pa rin yung gamit kong lagayan ng bigas. Link ko down below. Matibay ito in fairness. Ang na nito, ang tagal na sa amin. Taon na. Although may skincare na rin, yung Lilibel Skin Essentials na reduce set natin yung gamit ko. Ayan, pang 3rd week ko na siya. So yung peeling niya, medyo meron pa, pero nagsusubside na siya. Ang ginagawa ng rejuvenating set natin, na micro-exfoliating set, kumbaga, is ini-induce niya yung pagpapalit nung skin natin. First layer ng skin, yung older version natin. Yung may mga, usually, pag tinigyawat ka, may peklat, mga ganyan, di ba? Wrinkles, ayan, i-shed niya yan. Or mamamalat. Kapag dry skin ka, mamamalat. And so, yung automatically, our skin will magpo-produce ng bagong balat, top layer. Yun na yung skin mo. So, ayan siya. Medyo nag-lighten na yung tigyawat ko noong nakaraan. Medyo kumapantay-pantay na siya. Pero may 1 week pa ako.
Oh, you're so cute vlogging. I watch the vlog. Grabe naman, ang cute ng galgal naman. You have a lot of things, talking.
Alexa, what does the green frog say? Ribbit. A cat.
What's next? Pero sasali din siya, mag-vlog din siya. Pareho na kami ng content.
Ako na problema.
Alexa, what does the cat say?
May vlogger doon isa.
Okay, here's box of cats.
Alexa, what does the dog say? Woof.
Here's a domestic
Inuunahan niyo
dog
si
bone.
Alexa. Gusto mo palitan si Alexa?
It's ooey ooey.
Oh, it's Oy Oy.
It's
Nami-miss yun si Oy Oy.
Alexa, what does the sheep say? Bah!
Diba? Siya talaga si Alexa. Papalit na siya kay Alexa.
Here's the sheep leaf.
All morning, naglinis lang ako ng bahay. Excuse this area for now. Hindi ko pa yan siya naasikaso. But anyway, the house is clean. I have few dishes that I need to finish. Unahin ko muna yung pagluluto ko kasi wala pang tanghalian and it's 12 o'clock na. So, may kanin na tayo. Nakapagsaing na ako. And then, for lunch, I might just cook some tilapia kasi paborito ng mga bata ito. So, meron ako isang tilapia. Pinahiwa ko ito sa gitna. That way, yung mga bata, tigisa sila. Ako, hindi naman ako nakakapag-lunch kapag wala akong kasama sa bahay na na adult. Gusto yung kape natin. Last na yun. I had parang 3 coffee today. Can I just say how excited I am sa paparating nating vlogmas? Super duper motivated. Mag-vlogmas tayo. So yung paniniwala ko na makakapag-tuloy-tuloy tayo ng vlogmas is super duper high. I'm so excited. Actually, this morning, after ko maglinis, nanonood ako ng mga luma nating vlogmas. Parang vlogmas 2019 ata yung pinapanood namin ni Lily kanina. It's so cute. It was that year na kung kailan na sobrang kulit ni Ate Lily. Sobrang liit pa ni Lily. And iba yung kadaldala niya at that time. And so cute. I love watching those old videos. And talagang excited ako for this year's vlogmas. Actually, sa sobrang ka-excitedan ko, it is only parang, pa lang ngayon, kalagitnaan pa lang ng November. And meron na akong na-edit na intro for vlogmas. Diba? Excited lang. Bittersweet itong ating vlogmas this year though kasi ang main plan namin in the beginning is uuwi yung aking mister, uuwi si daddy, but unfortunately hindi kaya this year, so susubukan na lang natin na makauwi siya next year, but this year kami lang ng mga bata. By the way, si Lily nag-aaral.
I will return the change.
Ng Pilipino.
Ito pala yung aking asawa. Say hello to the big camera.
Hello.
Tignan nyo guys, study table ni Lily. Wow! Wow! Sino ba yung girl na yan?
That's me.
Sino ba yan? Ang ganda-ganda naman ng bata na yan. Only 1 earrings. Like always. Where's your earrings now? We can put it back na.
Yay!
Where are they?
They're in the drawer.
Okay. Remind me later, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Dan, you wanna eat tilapia?
Yes!
Huh?
Tilapia, Mr. Tilapia!
Yum! Yung tilapia? Yeah.
Do you want a party in your birthday? No. Do you want cake in your birthday? No. No. What do you want to do in your birthday?
Aiden, do you want a party on your birthday?
No.
What do you want to do?
Or inside the house.
Only inside the house. What do you want to eat on your birthday?
Eat your or in the house.
Yeah, eat in the house. What? So you want to eat cake? Do you want chicken on your birthday?
No.
Do you want tilapia on your birthday?
No.
Do you want tuyo in your birthday?
No.
No. What do you want to eat on your birthday?
I eat in the adobo and rice.
Adobo and rice. Do you want ice cream on your birthday?
No.
No. Do you want cake?
No.
Chocolate cake on your birthday?
No.
No. What are you gonna eat? Only adobo and rice?
No.
Yeah. Do you want snuggle for your birthday?
No. Oh no.
Only.
Only inside the house.
Only inside the house. Okay.
So what are you going to do on your
You want to
birthday?
go to sleep? He said he wants to go to sleep in his birthday. Like mommy. Just like mommy. Eat na.
Like this. Wow. down, up, down. And like this. Dear, which one? These. No. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating.
Come on, eat na, so we can go to bed.
I'm flying.
Hot.
In arm circles.
Mister. Happy na rin. Wow. 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 No jumping, only arm circles.
Okay, stand up.
Good job. A, check. What's next, A? What's that?
One.
Which one?
Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp.
Come here, Aiden's turn.
You're my better half, a part of me.